The meme coin that is catching the trend always make you money. And today I have this token called Drone or Drone Dominance Program, which is right over here. You can see this token was launched nearly 12 hours back or 24 hours back and it's quite pumped a lot. Look at the chart and you will see a linear pump to the upside and of course then it's dumping. So in this video we'll talk about this token, whether this meme coin can make you money or not, or are you still early or are you late, because this meme coin is kind of trending and we need to talk about it. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the token which is called as the drone token. Again, if someone's watching my videos for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. I share daily crypto updates, especially meme coins that can make you money. So make sure to be part of my membership on Telegram, and also you can join my free Telegram group by clicking the link below in the description and get the calls faster. And of course, let's start making money together trading meme coins and also altcoins. So let's dive in. So here we have drone dominance program, just like any other meme coin that started like yesterday, and they have given a deadline of March 29th, which means the token is expected to pump by this date. Of course, that is just a hypothetical number since it's a meme coin, so you should be aware that meme coin can pump, can dump. They can make you money, a lot of money by the way, and also they can take all of your money. So investing at the right price point is the key. If we look at the chart, we will know whether or not we should invest. So right now it is trading or dumped at the price of 3.6 million market cap, which is still good for this token. And let's say it stays above $3 million for the next 24 hours. I think that will make it a very good buying token. If it dumps from here, I think you should exit. You should not enter at all. But in the next 24 hours, if it shows again the bullish momentum, that will be the perfect time to invest in the token, and of course, maybe 2x or 3x gains. Do not expect it to hit $1. This is a meme coin. It is not going to hit $1. It is going to give you at least 2x, 5x, or maximum 10x. Look at the trading volume, which is very huge, $1.2 million. But we need to check the details. And for that, let's take a look at smart contract, 1700 holders only, which is quite good for a token that is just 24-hour old. Here we check the holders, the top 10 holding just 18% of supply, which is good, which means it won't ripple, but wait for bubble maps. So this is the bubble map for this token, and we see here this belongs to Meteora, so that is fine because liquidity is locked, so that is not a big problem. Then we take a look at the other holders, like this guy here holding nearly 4% of supply, which is quite big, and this guy here holding nearly 8% supply. Otherwise, the clusters are not very much. Overall, of course, it will pump and dump, but I don't think it will dump like completely. It should rise back up from here. So, what I can say, if you're planning to invest in this meme coin or the meme coin that is trending right now, wait for the next 12 hours, because that 12 hours will decide whether the token recover or totally dump. If it goes above $4 million from here, the market cap, like this, right now it's 3 million, and started going up to, let's say, 5 or 6, that means it is here to stay for at least few more days, and that is when you make money. You make 2x and you just get out. That will be my view about this token. Please DYOR, and of course, that is how meme coin works. If you enter early, you make money early. If you enter at the top, you will lose the money. So again, always buy the low and sell when it hit your stop loss. So with that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video and new content. Till then, take care and have a nice day.